So guys, for the first step, you want to make sure that OneDrive is fully closed. So if we look on the right hand side of our taskbar, it should be showing OneDrive right here. Or if you click on the arrow, it might appear here. If it doesn't appear here, it means it's already closed. But if you do see it here in your taskbar, you want to right click on it, and then click on Quit OneDrive. And then click on Quit OneDrive again, which will now close OneDrive. And now for the second step, you want to go to search and type in add remove programs. Click on it. And then once we're on this, you want to scroll down until we find Microsoft OneDrive. You want to click on the three dots and then click on uninstall and then click on uninstall again, which will now uninstall OneDrive. You want to click on yes, which will now uninstall OneDrive. For the last step, you want to head over to search again and type in %local app data %sign. Click on it. And now once we're on this, if you see a OneDrive folder here, you just want to delete it. So you want to click on it and then click on delete. And then that's how you do it. OneDrive is now removed.